This fall, I'm starting a 4-part series called Live What You Love. You know, all of us want to find a way to live more fully what we love and believe in, but sometimes it takes intentionality. And that's exactly what we're going to do this fall. The second Saturday of every month, starting in September, we're going to go after this thing called kingdom living. We're going to look at ways to make it more practical and consistent as a lifestyle. We're going to start out with kingdom mindsets, living from an internal mindset, not a worldly one, and how that then positions us. We take a kingdom posture of allowing the glory of God to work through us. Then we're going to tackle communication, kingdom communication, what it means to alter reality. We have the power of life and death in our tongue. And if we can begin to speak into kingdom realities in our families, in our friends, in our communities around us, including our nation. And that then is kingdom advancement, when we begin to disciple nations with our lifestyle. That kings come to our rising because of the lifestyle that we're living. So join me this fall, second Saturday, starting in September 9th. Check it out on my website, www.afieldofgrace.com, and it's on the event page. You can even register online. I look forward to seeing you this fall as we tackle this thing of kingdom living, that we are going to live what we love. All right, see you soon.